Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft maps. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we're not going to be needing a mod loader for this one. All we got to do is just find a website where we can download a world, okay, or a map. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type down Minecraft maps and download. Okay, hit on enter. And as you can see here, we have a ton of options. You can go and go to CurseForge, Minecraft maps right here, or even Planet Minecraft. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and open up Minecraft or Planet Minecraft. Okay, just wait for it. And you can see here, you can go ahead and check any categories from here. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose maybe 3D art. Okay, under monetization right here, let's just go ahead and select free. There you go. And then maybe let's just go ahead and download this one, your Lucky Map 2. Now when we go ahead and scroll down, you should be able to see some instructions depending on the creator. Okay, so when you go ahead and scroll down, you'll be able to see versions right here like 1.21.x. Okay, it could be 1.21.1 to 11, which is the current version, or 1.20 right here. Okay, so just basically click on download. As I see you are about to leave Minecraft, well, it will just redirect us to CurseForge. Okay, wait for it. Now, depending on the map or the creator, the download process will be different. Now, as you can see here, the download process is done. You can now go ahead and open up the folder, right click, and just hit on extract here. And here we have the Lucky Map folder. You can now go ahead and delete the zip file, close the browser, open up your Minecraft, okay, Java edition. As it says earlier, we need Java. Installations, latest release right here, open up the folder. Now go ahead over to saves. Okay, open up the Lucky Map folder. Okay, here we have it. So what we're going to do is just transfer it to the saves folder under our Minecraft directory. Now close this one. If you want to go ahead and check, directory saves right here, and here we have the Lucky Map. Okay, you're going to hit on play, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, we can now go ahead and click on single player, and here we have the map. So just click on it, wait for it to open. I know what I'm doing, just like so. And here we have it. All right, and that is how you download Minecraft maps. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.